dear viewers, I hope wherever you are in this world are happy and blessed. So today I have India top 10 unknown facts. Yes, that's right. As you know, India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of everyone when it comes to tradition. Now let's head straight towards the video. Number 1. India has a floating post office in Kashmir. Number 2. It has the highest cricket ground in the world located in Himachal Pradesh. Number 3. Diamonds were first mined in India. Number 4. Shampoo was invented in India by herbs. Number 5. World largest producer of milk is India. Number 6. Most vegan people are found in India. Number 7. First country to produce and consume sugar is India. Number 8. Only country to have bill for right for cause. Number 9. India has won all women and men Kabaddi World Cups, which also includes tournaments. Number 10. India is the second world largest English speaking country. At last, thanking you for taking out your precious time. I hope you found the facts interesting. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye toodles. Be realistic and explore your creativity.